This video is for all of you who also think the LEDs on the ButtonBox are way too bright and you can't use the gear like that anymore. I found a simple and safe way to dim the LED so you can't actually use the ButtonBox in a dark racing setup without getting blinded. For this you need to open the box and you will need a potentiometer, a few wires and a soldering iron. Please keep in mind, doing this will void your warranty. I also briefly found a software SimHub solution but lost it again, and honestly it felt too risky for me anyway because the built-in Arduino would have to be programmed again. If anyone has found a safe and easy way to dim the LEDs via software, please drop it in the comments. Don't be surprised later in the video. I actually destroyed a fragile USB port on the back while trying to mount the box and ended up hardwiring the USB cable instead. First, disconnect the USB cable from your PC. Opening the box is super easy. Just remove the 4 screws with the help of an Allen key, carefully open it up, and we are ready to go. All we do now is to connect a resistor or potentiometer in series to the LED switch. Here you can see the modified wiring diagram. Now we can change the series resistor and therefore the brightness of our LEDs. I went with a 10 kilo ohm multi-turn potentiometer. It's so small that I could glue it into one of the upper mounting holes of the ButtonBox, which means I can still adjust the brightness from the outside. If you need all 4 mounting holes, you can just drill another one. Or if you are fine with a fixed brightness, you can simply use a fixed resistor instead. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel to support me. I'd also appreciate a thumbs up or comment. Thanks for watching, happy racing, see you next time.